Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today we're going to be working on the father-daughter dance. This is my scrapbook layout. I actually worked on a father-daughter dance for my daughter's traveler's notebook. I just put like 3 pictures, but this is my actual scrapbooking, so I obviously have like a ton more pictures. And in this video I will be sharing with you the very first layout that I created for it, which is just going to show you one page. This is the picture that the school actually took, and I say that rolling my eyes because you know how the schools get me with these pictures. And I thought it was super adorable that every year my husband makes an effort to change poses. And that's because I don't want the same picture, so I'm sure he hears me complaining about it. And so I just love the way this one turned out, with him obviously on his knees kissing her hand. I think it's just super adorable. And once again, I am probably rambling on and not telling you anything about the layout. I am using the Maggie Holmes Willow Lane collection. I actually got the kit. So I got a few. Did I get the kit? Yeah, I feel like I did. I don't remember. I feel like I got the pages, I got the ephemera, I got a few stickers. So yeah, I did end up getting like a few items, and I wanted to use it because of the blue that the collection had. I wanted to incorporate that blue. Obviously, as you can see, my daughter's wearing a super like a cobalt blue dress that grandma found at a yard sale for super inexpensive. Grandma always keeps her dresses on point, and we've been saving it so that it finally fit. And this is a dress she chose to wear for this year's father-daughter dance. I don't think they do father-daughter dance in middle school. I really don't think so. So my husband has like 1 more year and then that's it. I wonder what he's gonna do. But anyways, you guys, we're gonna keep this page very simple. I ended up cutting it in half in a diagonal, and I am going to be making a cluster. As you can see, I keep my ephemera organized by color, which makes it super easy when it comes down to creating clusters or little corner blobs. I am going to use some gold thread behind it, just so that it adds another different type of touch to the little cluster. And basically that is going to be the video, you guys. So early on, right, I didn't even like go on. There's nothing to it, you guys. I don't know if you're first joining me in my little cheesers family. I don't even know what to call you guys, but my little YouTube family here, I tend to pull out, like you saw in the beginning, if I don't have like a certain amount of ephemera that I like, I end up using the same paper. So earlier you guys saw me cut out the little camera and cut out like what I thought was going to be the title, but I ended up changing my mind. And then you're going to see me cut a lot of these little hearts that you see on the left, bottom left. I am going to cut a lot of those hearts individually and use those to scatter on the purple side of the page. So almost like the hearts are floating out of that corner, if that makes any sense. And I am going to end up putting some of them on the top right corner, and I am gonna end up changing the title instead of saying so sweet, it's going to say the beauty of you, which of course I thought it was perfect for the theme of these pictures. Just fussy cutting a lot of these hearts. Like I said, you guys, I kind of tend to use the images that the collection is already giving me. So if I don't have, like, let's say I don't have enough ephemera, then I can make my own with the images or the patterns that the collection already gives me. I don't know if that helps anybody, but it's something that I find myself doing, fussy cutting little things here and there to make, aka little clusters or decorations. I'm going to put some more gold thread behind this corner as well, not as big as I did on the bottom one. I just wanted like a little bit to peek through, and like I said, creating these another set of little hearts. And that title, once again, I know I hate repeating myself, you guys, but once again, the collection already gave me this 12 by 12 page right here, and it had a lot of beautiful sentiments. So I am going to cut one of those little banners, which is the one that says the beauty of you, and I am going to convert that into the title of my page by fussy cutting it and putting it on the top right hand corner where the other little hearts are at. And then I am going to be cutting a second little banner that says magical day, and I'm just going to adhere that to the bottom by the camera. And that is going to be the layout, you guys. Super simple. I hope that you guys give this a try, and honestly take my suggestion of, if you don't have enough stuff to decorate, create your own with the images that the kit or the collection already gives you. I think that would be my tip for today. And because I did end up using most of my little decorations and clusters was honestly 12 by 12 pages that I just trimmed images out of. So anyways, as typical with my video, you guys, I am going to show you the end of this layout and this page, and then at the end of the video, you guys, I will come back to show you the actual pocket pages that I created, because I had quite a few pictures for this. Thank you so much for watching. I'll leave you guys here. In a few minutes, maybe one or two, you guys will see the pocket pages. Thank you so much for watching. Okay guys, so it's the end of the video. You know what that means. Here is the final look. I've already put them obviously in my pockets, and that's the center of attention, or the title page. And then here is, I have them backwards, typical. Here is the additional pages. As you can see, just added some of the paper, few stickers here and there. Here's the back page, journaled a little bit, and then just more pictures. Sometimes I like to keep some of the paper, and I've said this before in other videos, I like to keep some papers like this one just empty, because I love paper, obviously. Obviously, but sometimes I just like to showcase. So that is why some of them I don't even bother with stickers.
But here is the third page, just of her showing off her dress with a few little clusters here and there and some more stickers. And then the back page. And that is going to be our scrapbook pages of the father-daughter. So it always goes like this. I know I've told you before, I always kind of leave this side empty. So I'm just going to be bringing my album over and just starting off putting things in here. I haven't been scrapbooking pages like these for this year. Like, I haven't been taking as much pictures as I usually do, and I'm telling you guys the reason for that is because I find it so much more encouraging to be able to do 1 or 2 pictures and put it on the TNs or the traveler's notebook. So this is of course one of the first ones that I've had like a bunch. I think it came out super perfectly, and well, it's done. So I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Let me show it to you one more time. The final page here, just basically, guys, no cards, stickers, ephemera, and just made little clusters. Here's this one right here. I thought the panda with her little dress went perfect for this one. And then her with her dad at the actual event with her one of her best friends. And then them getting, daddy always getting her flowers to make her feel special. And the main page that you guys saw. And that is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and we will see you guys on the next one. Have a good one. Bye.